Coins Kid crew, welcome back. It's Phomophobe, and I'm just going to update the Discord on Cardano. It's been performing quite well the last 48 hours, so it was only natural for me to touch upon it. If you're wondering why ADA is doing so well at the moment, there's been a bit of news that's come out in regards to the Vassal hard fork. And it's got it says here, developers at Import Output and the Cardano Foundation today announced that Cardano's Vassal hard fork will occur on September 22nd, just 1 week after the Ethereum merger's anticipated date of September 15th. So it's a pretty significant update. So it's going to increase network capacity and lower cost transactions. So Cardano being a competitor to Ethereum, obviously you've got this good news coming out, but also there's that uncertainty in regards to Ethereum merging from proof of work to proof of stake, which is kind of like changing a engine in a plane or mid-flight, as they say. That's what I've heard, which is a pretty good analogy. There is potential for there to be hiccups with the Ethereum merge, so don't underestimate that things won't, could be detrimental to Ethereum, but, Ethereum is a very complicated ecosystem, and there's a lot of apps that run off Ethereum. So for there to, to merge over to proof of stake without any hiccups, I'd be very surprised. I kind of feel there is that potential for Ethereum to fork, where there will be the old Ethereum of proof of work that'll remain, and obviously the new school proof of stake. So it's going to be very interesting to see what happens with Ethereum. This is like the biggest news to come out of the crypto market for a long time, and yeah, I just feel there's a lot of uncertainty at the moment, and this is reflecting in the ADA price. I think people are kind of hedging their bets. Ethereum holders, they're buying a bit of these, competitors, layer one competitors here. So, you've also got Solana and Dot Up as well. So quite interesting here. But yeah, going to the technicals here, we've had a pretty good week for Cardano. We closed at 0.428 on the week, and we've pretty much rallied all week here. But we're running into a bit of resistance here, the 8 of May on the weekly, and that psychological 50-cent level. So I am expecting us to eventually roll over here. This line here is the 200 EMA. So that would be fairly tough resistance to get over. And after having such a big pump, we would expect a bit of a reversal here around this zone. So heading over to the 3-day, you've got the 500 EMA here at 51 cents, which will act as resistance. It's you zoom out and it's still bearish. So we're just getting a nice little relief rally here. But I think eventually ADA will succumb to the wider crypto market, bear market, which will resume eventually. Now heading over to the daily. As you can see here, it's still in that downtrend. It hasn't broken any significant level yet. So that's what I'm looking at right now with Cardano. Yeah, for us to break bullish, we'd have to see the whole crypto market reverse as well. Break above here, then test this area as support, and then carry on. But I kind of find that hard to imagine right now, just given the macro situation. So, there's quantitative tightening occurring now. Obviously, the Fed's being extremely hawkish, so that liquidity is not there to turn Cardano around. But yeah, it's nice to see Cardano having a bit of a pump here. If you're wondering why it's pumping, or that's my reasoning for it. So obviously people hedging buying a competitor, and obviously you had that good news with the Vassal hard fork. So long term, I like ADA as it's a strong hold for like a 5-year hold. But yeah, obviously I am still bearish in the medium term, and I do expect us to eventually test this 34-cent area here. Golden ratio, once we break that 42 area, yeah, the price action will be magnetized to this area here. So still bearish on Cardano midterm, but yeah, ultra long term, I will be bullish. And that's it. Thank you.